Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brock, and today, by the title of today's video, you can see my dog will be choosing everything I do today. So, there's the beautiful doggy. So, with that being said, let's get it. Okay, the first challenge is what my outfit is gonna be. So we have my clothes and I have a clown costume, and we're gonna see which one he goes to first. Okay, Samson. So which one are you coming to? Come on. Oh, Samson, which one are you coming to? Don't be stubborn. Come on. Come here. Oh, and he picked clown costume. Right there. Okay, so goodbye to these clothes today. No! I gotta wear a clown costume all dang day. If you can't tell, I'm wearing it. It looks like a jumpsuit. I'm wearing it wrong. But now, my homie is about to take a little nap. Are you gonna take a nap? He's excited. He wants a nap. Okay, so next is what I will be eating. He'll probably eat it before I do. So let's go. Okay, the next thing is what I will be eating. It is either hot Cheetos or I will have to drink that lemonade powder. So, which one will he go to? Okay, come on. He clearly chose the hot Cheetos. Thank the Lord I get something good. Homie just burped. Like that. Thank you so much, Samson. I love you. So I get to eat these awesome hot Cheetos. Woo! Now let's get it. So, with that being said, yeah, you can eat that thing that's still. I hope these aren't expired. They're expired. Tastes like cardboard. Yeah. And the last clip was a snack. But now you can clearly tell it is 12:45. So that means it is lunchtime. So let's find some lunch. So now it is up to him. Do I get some whipped cream or some bread? Whipped cream. You gotta sit next to it. He's deciding. What do you pick? Sit next to it. Yeah, I'll probably move it out a little closer. Sit wherever you want. Do you want the bread? Or do I get the whipped cream? Okay. So I'm gonna get a tape measure to see how far away he is. So I just got the tape measure and he is closer to the whipped cream. Thank God, bruh. So I get some whipped cream. Let's get it. Well, to be honest, I kind of wanted some actual lunch, but this is good. Oh. So good. So it is dinner time right now. It is about 5 o'clock. And I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And the options were no dinner or a hot dog. And he picked no dinner. His favorite thing is a hot dog to eat. So I'm surprised he didn't even eat the hot dog, bruh. I'm confused. But that means I get like no dinner right now. I'm sad. So I get no dinner. So yay. So that means we are at the end of the video. Oh, that means I gotta take this thing off. I've had it on for like the entire day, like 11 hours, not 11, yeah, about 11 hours. Bruh, get off of me, this stupid thing. Hate that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please like it and subscribe it. I love you guys so much. We the ones. Yeet.